Hey guys, so this is a quick video showing how to remove the rear vent unit in case if you need to fix it, in case this little tab broke off like it did on this side. Seems to be a common problem when kids, especially kids, step on this and it just flies off, whereas this part right here falls off, and then the inner part has a tendency to fall in. If you're able to catch it, great. If not, you still need to remove this to fix it if you want. So all you have to do is pull this up. This is the US variant, so this part does not come forward. What you need to do is you need to just wedge something between here and here on both sides and then just pull it back. Right now I'm just waiting on someone, so what I'm going to use, I just folded up this insert that I got in the mail. It's like a thin cardboard. So what I do here, what I did is I just wedged this under here. Let me see if I can get it so you guys can see. So just like that, it's just wedged under there. You just pull it back. You heard it click and it just unlatched. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Hopefully I can get it so y'all can see. All right, so I wedged it in, pull it back, bam, it unlatched. So now you just pull it back. So over here, I'm just pulling it back, and you can see, pull it back on both sides, comes out. Piece of cake. So I had already disconnected the two cables here. So one is for the cigarette lighter, the other one's for the USB. Very easy to pull out. You just have you can see a little tab right there. You just pull down, pull it out. Same thing for this one. As this part here, you push down, and then just pulls out. So now we need to do is you need to remove this, and there's another video showing you how to remove that, so I'm not going to go into that. But I just wanted to quickly say that if you have the other part of the clip fall into the vent right here, it's very easy to pull out. What you need to do, you have a Torx like this. I carry this in the car with me since Volkswagen has a bunch of Torx screws. I use this, and I believe this is a T25. So let me pull out the T25, or I think it's a T20 actually. All right, so this is the T20. I can show you guys how I pull that out. So there's two screws. One is right there, you can see it. The other one's on the other side as well, right there. So let me just confirm for y'all. Yep, it's T20. So you just pull it out like this. Let me do it really quick. There's one. There's the other one. There we go. All right, just pull them out. There's one. And the other one, where'd it go? Right here. Pull them out, and then this just comes down. So it just loosens out. Once this is loose, what you need to do, just need to pull it out that way. And it's just put in by pressure. And then you can see the bottom part there. You can see the hole. Let's see if you can see it. Can you see it? There we go. The hole's down there. So if the other part of the vent clip fell in there, it's more likely going to be in there. So you can always just look in there. Mine was just in there, so I pulled it out with my hand like that, and it came out. And then pull it back in. All it is just, again, it's just pressure. Just align it, pull it in, put in the Torx screws, bam. And then reinstall is same, just backwards. I hope this helped some of y'all out, and have a great day.